Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a REALME GT 2 Pro. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Then go into voice, and here we got voice match. And now tap here on this feature to activate your OK Google. Now need to give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And now we must say OK Google. One more time, OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. And now, how you can see, OK Google is ready to use. Tap finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.